This is not just a snake. This is the ruler of them all. Deep inside Asia's ancient jungles, a king awakens.
His presence is felt before he is seen.
Nature makes way for dominance. No crown, no throne, yet absolute authority. The King Cobra. The tallest venomous snake on Earth. Fear. Fear is his language. The forest knows when he moves. Silent, calculated, supreme.
Perfectly engineered by evolution.
Every breath carries information. A warning few dare to ignore. He does not strike first. He dominates. Respect keeps others alive.
Patience is power.
Every vibration is decoded. Nothing escapes his awareness. A storm follows the king. This is the real king of snakes. Reaching over 18 feet in length. No other snake rises this high. Even predators fear him. Precision without hesitation. A weapon built for control, not chaos. Highly intelligent, highly aware. He remembers faces and threats. His warning is unmistakable. One message. Stay back. Conflict avoided. Control maintained. Water does not stop a king.
Strength without bulk.
Balance restored. His venom is neurotoxic. It attacks the nervous system. Designed to kill fast. Paralysis begins immediately.
Breathing fails.
Enough venom to kill an elephant. Controlled injection. Efficiency over brutality.
Minutes decide survival.
Science is the only defense.
حاسهم una palazza.
Evil kings serve medicine.
Respect earns cooperation.
Saved lives worldwide.
In the wild, mercy does not exist.
Too fast for human eyes.
No second chance.
Power used only when needed.
Energy conserved.
Venom is a tool, not evil.
Nature's perfect balance. The only snake that builds nests.
Intelligence beyond instinct.
A mother, not a monster.
Protection at all costs.
No one comes close.
She controls incubation heat.
She does not eat.
Life is forming. The future arrives. Born dangerous.
Instinct activated.
Her duty complete.
Royal blood remembers.
Learning begins instantly.
Survival starts now.
Speed saves lives.
The crown is earned. Few will survive. But the king endures.
They tried to stop us, but look at what we built instead.
This legacy, this family is stronger because of what we went through.
The greatest threat is us.
Territory is shrinking.
No concept of danger.
Fear turned into spectacle.
This is not respect.
But some lane siya, but some choose protection.
Knowledge saves both sides.
Returning royalty to the wild. A natural pest controller.
Coexistence is possible.
The king still patrols. Millions of years perfected. Not evil. Not cruel.
Only necessary.
Understanding begins early.
Respect creates balance. The future depends on us. Protect the wild. Because kings do not need permission. The King Cobra reigns as long as the forest lives.